Canada simplifies the requirements for the temporary foreign worker programs to solve the labor shortage in Canada, guys. Employers in the food sector in Canada will be allowed to hire up to 30% of their staff through the temporary foreign worker program. And there will be further modification for temporary foreign worker program, guys. And this will be our topic of the video today. This is Khalil. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it, hit the bell icon button to get new videos notification on time. Stay with me till the end of this video. It's going to be very important for those who wants to come to Canada as a temporary foreign worker or who are already staying here on temporary status. Let's start the topic, guys. And friends, you know that Canada has taken these steps to make it simpler for Canadian firms to hire foreign workers on a temporary basis. These actions, which were announced on April 4, are in reaction to a countrywide labor shortage. At the same time, Canada has a low unemployment rate and a large number of job openings. The temporary foreign worker will undergo 5 major upgrades in the near future. Starting right now, labor market impact assessment will now be valid for 18 months, guys, up from 9. LMI is a document that shows to the Canadian government that hiring a foreign worker would not have a negative impact on a labor market. LMIAs were good for 6 months before pandemic, and the second major change is the maximum length of employment for high wage and global talent stream employees will be increased from 2 years to 3 years. Workers will be able to qualify for more routes to permanent residency as a result of this extension, and that will allow them to contribute to the Canadian workforce in the long run. And additionally, the seasonal cap exemption, which has been in effect since 2015, will be made permanent. Employers in seasonal sectors will no longer be limited in the amount of low wage positions they may fill through the temporary foreign worker program. These rules, maximum durations will be expanded from 180 days to 270 days per year. Then, as of April 30, employers in industries with confirmed labor shortage will be able to use the temporary foreign worker program to hire up to 30% of their workforce for low wage positions for a year. Food manufacturing industries, food product manufacturers, furniture and related product manufacturers, lodging and food services, construction, hospitals, nursing and residential care facilities are included in these 7 industries that are qualified. Until further notice, all other companies will be able to hire up to 20% of their workforce under the temporary foreign worker program for low wage jobs, and that is an increase from the previous 10% maximum for many employers. And finally, Canada will eliminate its existing policy of automatically rejecting LMIA applications for low wage jobs in the lodging and food services and retail trade sectors in locations with a 6% or higher unemployment rate. According to the statistics of Canada, the following industries had the most job openings in November 2021. 1,30,070 openings in accommodations and food services. There are 1,19,590 openings in healthcare and social assistance. There are 1,03,990 job openings in the retail sector, and manufacturing has 81,775 job openings in 2021, guys. In the last year, temporary foreign worker program authorized 5,000 global talent stream jobs and 23,000 high wage stream employment. Together, these projects count for nearly 21% of the LMIA jobs granted for 2021. Each year, between 50,000 to 60,000 foreign agricultural workers arrive in Canada, accounting for more than 60% of all foreign workers admitted under the temporary foreign worker program. This is the end of this video. If you found this video informative and helpful, then give a big thumb to this video. Thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day, guys.